Hi, welcome to the Britannia T190. So today we're looking at feet and I'm going to show you the regular foot, or also called the self-leveling foot. This is the one that comes automatically on your machine. It's the A foot, and if I get myself back in focus, there we go. You can see that at the front of it you have a little plastic area that helps you see your stitches a bit better, and it's a normal zigzag foot, so you can do all your zigzag stitches on this. It also has this extra function which no one seems to know about. This is the self-leveling function that comes on your regular foot. So this regular foot is actually a self-leveling foot, and I'm going to show you how to use it. Okay, so here it is. This is your self-leveling foot on the machine, and I'm just going to show you what it does over and above just sewing normal fabrics. So say you were sewing something, a seam or something. Oh, let me go back to a straight stitch. Say you were sewing just a regular line of stitching, and you were coming up to a big seam. So normally you might have to use something like a hump jumper or a jig, or a folded up piece of paper as a hump jumper. So say you're coming up to a nice big thick seam. So this is French terry, and I've got a few layers of it rolled over. And as your machine starts to sew up to the big kind of hill, you can see what happens if I turn the machine round is the foot starts to lift. You see the front of the foot lifting and the bottom of the foot being lower down. And it means you're asking the machine to climb a hill at the same time as stitching through the thicker fabric, which is just quite tricky for it to do. So the self-leveling foot is going to help you because it's going to level it out. So I'm going to do one more stitch so I'm fully on. And then I'm going to use my lever to lift the presser foot. I'm going to level the foot out myself, and then I'm going to push the black button in, and then I'm going to use the lever whilst holding the black button in to bring the foot back down again. And then what you get at the bottom here is clearance, so I can get my fingernail under the bottom of the foot now at the back. I'll bring it around to the other side, you might be able to see it a bit more clearly. There we go. You can see how the foot's lifted off the back of the fabric, and it means the machine now isn't trying to climb up a hill as it's sewing forward. It can just sew forward, and then as it goes over and it's level again, the button pops back out, ready to be used again. There we go. Do you see the button just pop out? Lovely. So it's for use instead of a jig or a hump jumper, and it's called your self-leveling foot. It's a self-leveling button. So you can see how it helps you get over a big thick seam or something like that. There we go. Hope it was helpful. See you later.